Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate with Jotform. This integration allows you to automatically sync your form submissions with Sendgrid, making it easier to manage your email marketing campaigns and contact lists without manual data entry. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To start, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your login credentials. This will take you to your Jotform dashboard where you can access all your forms and settings. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page and click on My Workspace. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will display all the forms you've created in your account, making it easy to locate the one you want to integrate with Sendgrid. Now find the specific form you want to edit. Once you've located it, click the Edit Form button. This opens the form builder where you can modify your form's design, fields, and settings. The form builder is where all the customization happens, so familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. Next, click on the Settings tab at the top of the form builder. This tab contains all the configuration options for your form, including notifications, conditions, and integrations. From the left menu that appears, select Integrations. This section is where you'll connect your form to various third-party services. In the integration section, use the search bar to search for Sendgrid. Type it in, and the system will filter through available integrations to show you the Sendgrid option. Once you see the Sendgrid integration tile, click on it to begin the setup process. You'll now need to authenticate your Sendgrid account. To do this, paste your Sendgrid API key into the Sendgrid API key field. If you don't have your API key handy, you'll need to retrieve it from your Sendgrid account settings. Once you've entered the key, click the Authenticate button. The system will verify your credentials, and if prompted, log into your Sendgrid account to complete the authentication. This step may take a moment as the connection is being established. After authentication is successful, you'll see options to configure how your form data syncs with Sendgrid. Select your recipient list from the Recipient List dropdown. For example, you might choose Jotform contacts or whichever list you want your submissions to populate. This ensures that all form responses are automatically added to the correct audience in Sendgrid. Now comes the field mapping stage. Here, you'll match your Jotform fields to the corresponding Sendgrid fields. For instance, map your Jotform email field to Sendgrid's email field. Sendgrid also supports custom fields, so if you've created any custom data points in Sendgrid, you can map those as well. This step is crucial for ensuring your data flows correctly into Sendgrid. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, click the Complete Integration button. The system will save your settings and finalize the connection between Jotform and Sendgrid. You might see a confirmation message appear to let you know everything is set up correctly. Finally, click the Finish button on the confirmation screen. Your integration is now complete, and any new form submissions will automatically sync with your Sendgrid account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.